What is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem says that in a right angle triangle, the sum of the squares of the side containing the right angle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse, or is equal to the square of the third side. The sum of the squares of the sides containing the right angle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse, or is equal to the square of the third side. So let me explain this through a figure. So what is given? Given is a triangle ABC. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. To prove that AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So very simply we can prove this by applying similarity. Similarity says two triangles are similar if their at least any two angles are equal. So let us try. We do a construction. The construction here is BD is perpendicular on AC. Now it's very simple. Children, try to understand this. There is a larger triangle ABC in which there is one angle A and one angle ABC is 90 degree. And there is another smaller triangle this side ADB, which has one angle A, that means it's a common to the larger triangle and to this side triangle, and one angle 90 degree. So these two triangles should be similar. Which two triangles? ABC, see how I am naming ABC, that means X 90 and this is Y. And another way, ADEB, that is X 90, so this should be Y. Because if two angles of a triangle are matching, then that means the third angle automatically will be 180 minus sum of those angles. So that means if larger triangle has got one angle as X, another as 90, then the smaller triangle also has got one angle X and another angle 90. So the third angle, if in larger triangle I take Y, then the third angle in the smaller triangle also should be Y. That has to be understood. So I am going with the proof now, which is very easy. In triangle, now what happens? In triangle ABC and ADB, angle A is common in both. Angle ABC is equal to angle ADB, each 90 degree. That means two angles of each triangles are equal. So triangle ABC will be similar to triangle ADB. This further implies that triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. So AB by AD, AB by AD is equal to AC by ABC. I have taken the corresponding side. So this becomes AB square is equal to AD into AC. This I take it as equation 1. Now the same thing I will do for the lower triangle. I will name the larger triangle this way, CBA. In triangle CBA and CDB, angle C is common in the larger triangle and this smaller triangle, and angle B is 90 here and angle D is 90 here, so they are also similar. So triangle CBA is similar to triangle CDB by angle corollary or angle similarity property. So BC by DC is equal to AC by BC. See how I am writing, be careful. I took first two alphabet for both the triangle and then extreme two alphabets of both the triangle. Now cross multiply. I am leaving the third part. I would have written AB by BD. So this is not needed. So BC square is equal to AC into DC. So from equation 1 and equation 2, adding both of them, adding equation 1 and 2. So AB square, BC square plus AB square, so that I will write in order. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into DC plus AC into AD. So I take AC common. Now what is DC plus AD? DC plus AD is again AC. So AC into AC will be AC square.